Guys, what is going on?
Strange sounds are being heard around the world. In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. In Michigan, another trumpet-like sound. In British Columbia, Canada, Dr. Glenn McPherson says he heard a strange humming sound in his home. At first, he thought it was an appliance.
Ultimately, I cut the power to the entire house, and the sound got louder.
Then he discovered he was not alone.
This is in fact a worldwide phenomenon, and I'm calling it the worldwide hum.
Check out his Hum Map data project. To date, some 17,000 civilians and scientists from around the world who call themselves hummers have reached out to him, saying they heard the same thing. McPherson thinks the mysterious hum could be caused by low-frequency sound waves that sound like this. He actually built this 3-foot by 6-foot steel box that blocks out low-frequency sound waves. But for some reason, even inside it, he says he still hears the strange hum.
Going into the box made absolutely no difference whatsoever to my perception of the hum. If anything, maybe even it got louder.
Inside Edition producer Brianna Deutsch climbed inside the coffin-like box to test it out. She hears no hum.
It's pretty dark.
Now listen to these strange booms that sound almost from another planet. It could be a sonic boom from a fighter jet breaking the sound barrier. Another possibility, a meteor. This home security camera in Bridgewater, New Jersey actually caught the flash and then the sound of a meteor.
Huge explosion, loud enough and strong enough to knock the pictures off my walls and shatter the glass all over the place.
That may help explain some of the booms. But others remain a weird mystery.
Camera's getting rained on, and I'm willing to risk it. This noise is coming from the sky. There's nothing in front of us. And it's changing locations. Linda's on the phone with Damon right now. We're going to go investigate. Damon just called because he's hearing this banging noise, and we're going to try to figure out, we're going to try to get to the bottom of this noise.
Okay, bye. Okay, he said he's ready to go. He wants to go.
It's my Damien's house. You can still hear it. That's pretty faint over here. All right, let's go investigate. All right, we got to an area where we think it's getting closer. Let's see if we can hear it. Oh, a lot louder. Listen.
It's a little closer. That's better.
So now we're taking a trip down here, down this, where the almonds here. So I'm assuming if there is hail cannon, maybe it'll be for the almonds. I don't really see it being for the grapes because all they're doing is raisins out here. Okay, listen. Okay, back on the trail. We're getting closer to solving the mystery. Sounds sounds like it's coming from the sky, though. We're here at this structure, and it's not coming from the structure. Oh, man. It's not coming from that structure. It's coming from the sky. You hear it over the engine and everything.
Crap, that's loud.
It's ridiculously loud. Listen to that. That's coming from the sky, Damien.
From the sky, anyway. Dogs are.
Jet airplane. I'll be quiet for a minute. It sounds like an airplane just hovering over my house up in the sky. Kind of sounds too like wind. It's raining here, but there's no severe thunderstorms or anything. It's just a light rain and this noise.
What on earth? Whoa.